Why do 90% of busy pros dread spring cleaning? It's because the thought of tackling a mountain of chores on top of an already packed schedule can be overwhelming. The idea of spending precious free time scrubbing, dusting, and organizing can feel like an insurmountable task. But what if we told you it doesn't have to be that way? Let's make it a breeze. With a few smart strategies, you can transform spring cleaning from a dreaded chore into a manageable, even enjoyable activity. Spring cleaning can be a nightmare when you're swamped with work. The clutter piles up, and before you know it, your home office looks like a tornado hit it. But guess what? You don't need to spend an entire weekend cleaning. We've got 7 super simple tricks to save the day. These tips are designed specifically for busy professionals who need efficient and effective solutions. Before we get into it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Trick 1. Declutter in chunks. Instead of trying to tackle your entire home at once, break it down into smaller, more manageable sections. Start with one room or even one part of a room, like a closet or a drawer. This way you can see progress quickly, which can be motivating. Use a keep, donate, trash system. For example, when decluttering your closet, take everything out and sort items into these 3 categories. Keep what you love and use, donate items in good condition, and trash anything that's worn out or broken. This method helps you make decisions quickly and keeps you organized. Trick 2. Maximize multitasking. Set a 15-minute timer and go. By creating a sense of urgency, you can accomplish more in less time. This technique is great for those who find it hard to get started or stay focused. Combine tasks to save time. For instance, dust while vacuuming or wipe down mirrors while waiting for your coffee to brew. These small multitasking efforts can add up to significant time savings. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done in a short period. Trick 3. Clean your fridge in 10 minutes. The fridge is often overlooked, but it doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. Start by emptying out all the contents. This gives you a clear view of what needs to be cleaned and what can be discarded. Toss expired items, wipe down the shelves with a damp cloth, and rearrange the remaining items. In just 10 minutes, you can have a clean and organized fridge that makes meal prep easier. A clean fridge also helps reduce food waste and keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. Trick 4. Strategic cleaning products. Using the right products can make a world of difference. Choose products that are versatile and effective to minimize the number of items you need. Opt for multi-purpose cleaners, microfiber cloths, and homemade solutions like vinegar and baking soda. For example, use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean glass surfaces or baking soda to scrub sinks and countertops. These products are not only effective, but also cost-efficient and eco-friendly. They can handle multiple tasks, reducing the need for numerous specialized cleaners. Trick 5. Zone cleaning. Divide your home into zones and clean one per day. For instance, designate Monday for the kitchen, Tuesday for the living room, and so on. This method ensures that every part of your home gets attention without overwhelming you. Trick 6. One-day laundry rule. Laundry can pile up quickly, but dedicating 1 day a week to it can keep it under control. This way, you can focus on other tasks during the rest of the week. Choose a laundry day, wash all your clothes, and fold them immediately. Use hampers with compartments to sort clothes by color or type, making the process more efficient. This system helps you stay organized and makes laundry day less of a hassle. Trick 7. 10-minute tidy up. A quick tidy up session before bed can make a huge difference. Spend 10 minutes each night putting things back in their place. This small effort ensures you wake up to a clean and organized home, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Spend 10 minutes each night putting things back in their place. This small effort ensures you wake up to a clean and organized home, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. It also helps you maintain a clutter-free environment, making daily cleaning tasks easier. Wake up to a clean home. There's nothing quite like starting your day in a tidy space. It can boost your mood and productivity, making your mornings more pleasant and less stressful. Remember, small changes can make a big impact. By incorporating these simple hacks into your routine, you can maintain a clean and organized home without sacrificing your valuable time. Consistency is key, and these small efforts will add up over time. Try these hacks and share your experience. Let us know how these tips have helped you manage your spring cleaning. And don't forget to share your own tips and tricks with us. We love hearing from our community and learning new ways to make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll see you in the next video.